Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil change Ram Promaster Easy Guide. Start by turning the key to on, but do not start the engine. Then navigate to the vehicle settings or press the dedicated oil reset button. Hold the reset control for about 10 seconds until the dash reads reset complete. If the system asks, confirm by pressing OK or the same button once more to clear the oil change reminder. Follow these steps in order and speak them aloud as you perform each action to stay focused and safe. First, place the key in the on position while keeping the engine off, then use the steering wheel arrows to open the vehicle settings. Scroll to the Oil Life or Maintenance section, select Reset, and press OK or hold the Reset button until the display confirms the change. Drive normally after reset. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, music, and asking vehicle questions while you work. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more practical guides for you. I stick a dot in my garage, and it keeps the playlist and timers rolling while I wrench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the oil reset does not register, try turning the ignition off, wait a few seconds, then repeat the reset procedure while holding the button steadily. Confirm you are selecting the correct menu item because some trims label it differently. If you still see the maintenance reminder or an error light, scan the vehicle for stored codes or visit a trusted mechanic to ensure there are no underlying issues that need attention.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.